As the country's fifth COVID-19 surge winds down, states like New York and Massachusetts have eased their pandemic restrictions. But federal health officials have taken a more cautious approach, as the Fox Medical Team's Beth Galvin explains.
With Omicron case numbers in kind of a free fall across much of the country, several state governors and local officials have said they are going to lift their mask requirements. But the head of the CDC says we're not there as a country just yet. Daily COVID-19 infections have dropped 65% and hospitalizations are down 40%. And CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky says she's encouraged by these numbers.
What I will say, though, is our hospitalizations are still high. Our death rates are still high. So as we work towards that and as we are encouraged by the current trends, we are not there yet.
Walensky says states and local governments should make the call on when to lift mask mandates and other COVID-19 precautions based on local transmission rates and hospitalizations. But the CDC is not planning any changes in its mask guidance for now.
And we continue to recommend masking in areas of high and substantial transmission. That's much of the country right now in public indoor settings. And so we're, of course, taking a close look at this in real time, and we're evaluating rates of transmission as well as rates of severe outcomes.
The White House continues to urge vaccinated Americans to get a booster shot once they're eligible. Studies show an extra dose can dramatically lower the risk of hospitalization and death from the Omicron variant. And Dr. Anthony Fauci says researchers are still studying whether another dose of the vaccine could be needed down the road for certain high-risk groups.
For example, there may be the need for yet again another boost, in this case, a fourth dose boost for an individual receiving the mRNA that could be based on age as well as underlying conditions. So I don't think you're going to be hearing, if you do, any kind of recommendations that would be across the board for everyone.
The White House says about 90 million Americans have received a booster shot, including about 60% of eligible adults and over 80% of eligible seniors. For your Fox Medical Team, I'm Beth Galvin.